free drummer VST programs. We got some really cool ones here for you today. So there's my top 3, then I got 2 bonus ones at the end. I also have a blog post with all kind of other sample libraries and plus other drummer sample libraries. There's so many out there that this video is just going to focus on what I consider the top 3 best ones and then some extra ones at the end here. If you have another one in mind, you can put them in the comments below as well. And please tell me what your favorite one is in the comments down there too. All right, let's get into this. So the first one here is the Steven Slate drums. This is a free edition. It's a full functioning working plugin where you get one full drum kit with a bunch of grooves and everything as well. You can also play them through, Roland V drums or any electronic drums or on a MIDI keyboard and such. And these are professional sounding drums, mixed ready and ready to go. Okay, next up is the Multimediamondo Drum Studio Kit. This is a free kit that comes with their plugin here. There's other ones you can buy as well. So this is the studio kit here. It's a 6-piece production champion that has been featured on countless records starting in the mid-70s. Basically, the way the Mondo drums work here is you get all these different drum kits. Well, if you buy the version, this is the free kit here. But you get splash cymbal, ride, 2 crash, hi-hat, 6-piece drums. And the really cool stuff about this is you could actually buy other kits too and add them on. This is the new version of it, 1.5. Before you had to buy the whole plugin. But this is like drum modeling. There's all kind of really cool stuff here. You can change the stick, the tip of the sticks, where it hits the drums, the right and left hits, which really affects the sound of the snare drum, and stuff like that. You could change the beater and stuff like that of the kick drums and all kind of other really, really cool stuff. So this is definitely one you're going to want to check out as well. Let's play some demos here. We'll play them right from the site. Pretty cool. And this one comes with a mixer as well, has the grooves, different mappings and stuff as you can see here. All right, so the next one up here is the MP Power Drum Kit 2. This is a very good rock kit, alternative, fusion, rock, metal. They have a solo here as well. I'm going to play some demos in a second. But this comes with grooves as well. Kind of works the same way as the other two. It's totally free. Comes with a mixer and everything. Graphics aren't as cool, but still, whatever. Groove library as well, lots of grooves in here, and a little composer here, kind of like EZDrummer. So another really cool one. Let's check out some sounds from this one. Here's a couple other really cool ones. This is Bedroom Drums. You can find this on pianobook.com. I'm using the Decent sampler here. It's a free sampler that you can check out. Let's check out these ones. It's just a small kit with 1 tom. Let's see here what they got. They got a kick, snare roll, 2 snare hits, hat, 1 tom, and just the cymbal. Let's check it out in a beat. And very cool. Also, I have ones called iPhone drums. These are sample libraries that people make. Has a couple more toms in this one. Very lo-fi, but very cool. So some really cool acoustic drums. All right, cool. So check out the blog post. I got some bunch of other ones on there that I'll keep up to date and everything. There's some other cool VST drummer plugins out there too. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.